Three squares each have an area of 16 square centimeter, and their corners lie on the sides of a large rectangle, crossing at the midpoint of the shorter side. What's the area of the large rectangle? Before presenting the solution to this question, I would like to review some rules related to parallel lines. Here we have two triangles, and AB is parallel to CD. What can we conclude? If AB is parallel to CD, then the corresponding side lengths of the two triangles are proportional like this. So AB divide CD is equal to AE divide ED and BE divide EC. Furthermore, their vertex angles are equal. For example, the AEB is equal to angle CED. And besides, the angle of BAE is equal to angle CDE. The same way, the angle ABE is equal to angle BCD or ECD. They are the same angle. So these rules are quite important to solve this problem. So you have to remember them by heart. Okay, so first I will label all the points with letters to make the explanation easier. Sometimes we need to add extra lines to help solve the problem. These lines are called auxiliary lines. So let's see how do we do this. So in this, I will extend the FJ and AB until they intersect at a point G. So we know the ABCD is a rectangle, so that AB is parallel to CD, namely it's also EG parallel to CD. And J is the middle point of BD, so it means that BJ is equal to JD. According to the rules I presented in the last slides, and we also know that BG is equal to FD, and the most important is JG is equal to JF. Furthermore, the area of the triangle BJG is I labeled with the part 1 and equal to the area of the small triangle JFD I labeled with 2. The area also the same. In the same way, I extend also the EI and also extend the CD so until they intersect at H. And then in the same way, and I also can conclude that AE equal to CH, and most important, the EI is equal to IH, and the area, small area of the triangle AIE I labeled with 3 is equal to the area of IHC, is I labeled with 4. So let's look further. So we know now we want to get the area of the rectangle ABCD. So what's the area of rectangle ABCD? So ABCD, the area is the black or gray part of the 3 squares and plus some small areas. And if we look at that, so the triangle AIE plus the triangle ICF actually is the same as area of triangle IHF. In the same way, the triangle EJB and also plus the triangle JFD. So actually, it's just labeled near to the one part, the big one, also the plus 2. Actually, they are same as the green I marked with green part, the area of EJG. So then we rewrite them. Actually, the ABCD area is the gray area plus the triangle EJG and the triangle IHF. How do they look like? They are also a shape of the para. So actually they are the EHFG. So how can we get the area of EHFG. So we see because there's squares, so actually EJ is a height of EHFG. So what's the area of EGHF as FG is equal to cross EJ? Did you see that? FG cross EJ. So what's FG? And we know because the area, small squares area of 16, so each side length is 4. So 2 times FG is 8. And what's the length of EJ? EJ is the 3 times of the side length of the small square, is the 12. Then we can get is 12 cross 8 is 96. So in the end, the answer is 96 square centimeter. I hope I explained clearly, and thank you for your attention.